Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer your stocks from Robinhood to Fidelity. So let's get started. First, log into your Fidelity account on your computer or mobile app. Once logged in, go to Accounts and Trade, and then choose Transfer. Select the option that says Transfer from another brokerage. Now you'll need to enter your Robinhood account details. Open the Robinhood app, tap the account icon, and find your account number. You'll need this for the transfer. In Fidelity, select Robinhood as the firm you're transferring from, and choose ACAT's transfer, which stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. Fidelity will ask if you want to transfer your entire account or specific stocks. If you want to move everything, select Full Transfer, but if you only want certain stocks, choose Partial Transfer and select those specific shares. Fidelity will also ask for your Robinhood account type. If you have a regular investing account, choose Individual Brokerage Account. Once everything is confirmed, submit your transfer request. Fidelity will handle the entire process and contact Robinhood automatically. The transfer usually takes 5 to 7 business days to complete, and during that time, your stocks may be temporarily unavailable for trading. When the transfer finishes, you'll see all your stocks and cash balance appear in your Fidelity account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.